Hello and welcome back to the channel guys. In this video I will provide you the easiest and most effective method to solve true, false and not given type of questions. So I'm using the passage. The name of the passage is the development of London Underground Railway. So let's take a look at the type of questions. So to begin with, I would like to explain you the meaning of true, false and not given in these kind of questions. So the meaning of true is when the information mentioned in the question and in the paragraph is same. It can be paraphrased or synonyms can be used. So the central idea will be remain same in both the locations. And if I talk about false, the information in the question will contrast to the information that will be available in the passage, which means the information will be different in both the locations. And third one, not given. In this case, the information that the question demands will not be available in the paragraph. So the first thing that you need to do is read the question and underline the keyword that is the more important in this question. So let's read the first question. Other countries had built underground railways before the metropolitan line opened. So in this question the central idea is that ਆਪਾਂ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਵੀ ਮੈਟਰੋਪੋਲੀਟਨ ਲਾਈਨ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਬਾਕੀ ਦੇਸ਼ਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਅੰਡਰਗਰਾਊਂਡ ਰੇਲਵੇ ਖੁੱਲ੍ਹ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਸੀ। ਸੋ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੀਵਰਡ ਆ ਉਹ ਹੈਗਾ ਗਾ ਬਿਫੋਰ। Before is the most important word in this question, which will change its answer. So let's take a look in the paragraph. So you need to take a look for the keywords in the paragraph. Like the metropolitan line was the keyword. So in this paragraph it begins with metropolitan line. So let's read. The metropolitan line, which opened on 10th January in 1863, was the world's first underground railway. So in question it is mentioned that the underground railway was opened before the metropolitan line was constructed in the world, but the information is contrasting each other, as here it is mentioned was the world's first underground railway. So which means it is false, because the information that is available in the question is directly contrast to the information that is available in the passage. So the answer for this question is false. So let's move to the next question. So let's take a look at the second question. More people than predicted traveled on the metropolitan line on the first day. ਸੋ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਵੀ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਭਵਿੱਖਬਾਣੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ ਵੀ ਇੰਨੇ ਲੋਕ ਮੈਟਰੋਪੋਲੀਟਨ ਲਾਈਨ 'ਤੇ ਟਰੈਵਲ ਕਰਨਗੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੇ ਟਰੈਵਲ ਕੀਤਾ। ਸੋ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੋਰ ਪੀਪਲ ਇੱਕ ਤਾਂ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਆ ਅਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਫਸਟ ਡੇ। So let's take a look in the paragraph. One more tip to solve reading is that the answers are in series manner. Like we found the answer over here, first answer. Now the answer will be below this one only. So let's read. So after reading this paragraph we can't find the answer that is related to the prediction. So the answer for that question is not given, as here mentioned by the end of metropolitan first year of operation 9.5 million journeys had been made, but there is nothing which is mentioned regarding prediction. So the information is totally different from what we are looking for. So the answer is not given for this question. So let's read the next question. The use of ventilation shafts fail to prevent pollution in tunnels. So in this way, the main idea is failed to prevent, because it is the word that is changing the answer. If so, let's take a look. And ventilation is keyword that we need to look in the paragraph. Here the ventilation shafts are mentioned. So let's read from however smoke and fumes remain a problem even though ventilation shafts were added to the tunnels. So it is clear that they have also stated the same thing with the paraphrasing it in the passage, like however smokes and fumes remain a problem, ਵੀ ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਰਹੀ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੈਂਟੀਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਸ਼ਾਫਟਸ ਲਗਾ ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ ਸੀ. And same is mentioned in the question as well. The use of ventilation shafts failed to prevent pollution in tunnel. So the information and the main idea of the question is same in question and the paragraph. So let's take a look at the 10th question. A different approach from the cut and cover technique was required in London's central area. So in the which the main idea is a different approach. So we need to look for London central area and cut and cover in the paragraph to find its location. So let's get right. So here it is mentioned the cut and cover method of construction was not an option in this part of the capital. The only alternative was to tunnel deep underground. So this is also true because they have told that cut and cover method was not an option, and in the question as well they have mentioned different method, different approach from cut and cover technique was required in London's central area. So the information and the central idea is same, so the answer is true. So guys, hope you guys will have understand how to solve true false and not given, and the rest of three questions I am giving you as you can think it as homework. So you can use my technique to solve these questions and write the answers in comment section. If you have any problem you can comment down below or visit my telegram channel.